Duolingo usually gets good reviews. People who study how apps work like Duolingo because it's made well and keeps people interested. It helps people learn languages and users like showing off how long they've used it, thanks to the fun green owl Duo. But now things are different. Recently, the head of Duolingo, Luis von Ahn, said in an email that Duolingo will focus on AI first. Does this change how users experience the app? Before we talk about the complaints, what does AI first mean? Von Ahn said in the email that we will have to rethink how we work, and explained it with these points. We will slowly stop using people we hire for short-term work if AI can do it. We will look for AI skills when we hire new people. We will check how people use AI when we see how well they're doing at work. We will only hire more people if a team can't use AI to do more of their work. Most teams will try to change how they work using AI. The email also said that Duolingo has used AI before. For example, AI helped make the video call feature where users can practice speaking by talking to characters from the app. What's new and causing problems is how AI will affect hiring. The main issue is that Duolingo will replace people hired for short-term work with AI, which is upsetting users. Some worry that AI will make mistakes in sentences and translations. However, most people on the Reddit group Duolingo and in online articles are against the idea of AI stealing jobs from people. Tech companies have been reducing staff, and now AI is doing jobs that people hired for short-term work or new employees would normally do. With the cost of living rising and a possible recession, this feels unfair. No wonder many are saying they've stopped using the app after keeping up their streaks for a long time. Some subscribers who used to brag about using the app for over 900 days are now deleting their accounts and switching to other language learning apps. But again, does the AI announcement affect the learning experience within the app? How people see you matters. Trust is part of how users experience an app. If users don't trust you, they won't want to use your app. Even if the app works perfectly, if the company acts in ways that users don't like, they won't trust it. Public relations is part of user experience in this way. For example, what Elon Musk did and said made former Twitter users look for other platforms. For Duolingo, many people say they no longer trust the app because of von Ahn's announcement. Some distrust AI in general, while others are protesting the new hiring policies. To quote Ken Thompson, trust equals skill plus kindness plus honesty. Many users don't think AI can provide accurate language lessons. Putting AI first over jobs doesn't seem very kind. Honesty means acting ethically, and there are many ethical issues with using AI. The main point is that Duolingo has lost trust with its users. Trust is hard to gain and almost impossible to get back after losing it. At the end of the email, von Ahn says that while change can be scary, he thinks it's important to stay ahead by using AI to get things done. In an interview, von Ahn said that this AI-first approach isn't a big change and won't affect full-time employees. We said that if AI can do a job really well, we probably won't hire people to do that job. But what jobs can AI do? Can AI do translations, explain grammar, and review vocabulary really well? The new 148 courses created with AI might answer this question. It will be interesting to see if users can tell the difference between a lesson made by a native speaker and one made by AI. For now, Duolingo sees the AI-first approach as a big opportunity instead of a mistake. Duolingo is focusing on AI, and some users are angry. Luis von Ahn's announcement has caused concern among subscribers worried about the quality of language lessons, job opportunities for humans, and the company's trustworthiness. Much of the online discussion focuses on putting AI before people hired for short-term work. In the current economy, this cost-cutting measure has made users dislike the company. Many users have stopped using the app to protest this decision. Trust and public opinion are important parts of user experience because they affect how users interact with the app. The actions of CEOs and managers directly affect how people feel about the app. For now, it's unclear how AI will affect the quality of the language learning app. However, the decision to be AI first has definitely changed how users feel about Duolingo.